When I first joined this course, I thought like it was just a new basic course and I would get to know about a brief summary of all the topics that we are going to go through. But currently we are going in quite depth of all the topics, so it was quite good.
And the way, my instructor, the way they think, the logic is just mind blowing. On the tip of like fingerprint, they think the logic and they optimize it. It made me like really how the question we should think of.
जब ऑफलाइन क्लास चालू हुए हम लोगों ने देखा कि हमारे सर बहुत नॉलेजेबल हैं, हमें अच्छे से पढ़ा रहे हैं। एक ही सवाल के अलग अलग तरीके से बहुत सारी तरीक़ों से जवाब दे रहे हैं और हमें उसके अलग अलग अप्रोचेस बता रहे हैं, तो वो हमें ज़्यादा नॉलेज दिया उसके बारे में।
After starting of the live classes, I feel exponential growth in my learning capacity. I can ask my doubts and I can re-verify my thoughts about the problem solving approaches with the instructor one-to-one, which helps me very much and allows me to solve edge cases very efficiently.
Well, to be honest, before my training started, my expectations were like this was just an ordinary course. But mid-section I realized that my DSA concepts were getting more clear and more like I was able to find patterns in questions. So my expectations are like getting much more better than this.
Live interactions with instructors has helped me to maintain a consistency, because in online classes it is not as consistent and we get lazy, we don't focus much. But here we have to focus because you know that someone is looking at you and you have to answer. So it was good.
It not only allows us to think out of the box, it grants us opportunity to understand others' approaches, and honestly to me it allows me to gain access to more knowledge than I currently have and produce more optimal solution for the harder questions.
My dream company is Microsoft, because the way Bill Gates is seeing the future in India, the project in India, this is the best opportunity I can get. After this, joining this course, I get the confidence of that, and I can also do that. Because before joining this, I was just knowing that they are coming to India, they are investing, they are thinking of India, but how can I get that? I was not confident which path to take, but now I am much more better confidence in it.
My dream company is Google because they have a great AI project, and after this course I am quite confident, because before this course I knew I had to cover a certain number of topics, but after this course I have already covered those topics and I'm learning something even better. So I think I'm much more confident than before.
And before this training, I was not sure like I could get into the Google or not. But now I have little hope for that.
मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ अच्छा सा एक्सपीरियंस लेने आया था, अपना नॉलेज बढ़ाने आया था कि CSC की लाइन में कैसे होता है सब, जो मुझे स्मार्ट इंटरव्यू के थ्रू मिला है।